This is how to do Amazon affiliate marketing in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of how to become an Amazon affiliate marketer. In Amazon affiliate marketing, you don't need recruitment. There's no need for you to involve yourself in shipping. There's no customer service. All you need to do is to keep on producing content on your platform to attract, qualify, and quality traffic. Therefore, I'll be showing you my personal result as an Amazon affiliate marketer in Nigeria. I'll be taking you through how Amazon affiliate marketing works in Nigeria. I'll be showing you 4 steps to build a robust Amazon affiliate marketing platform. I will take you through the best practice for Amazon affiliate marketing. Lastly, you will learn how to collect your money from Amazon directly to any bank account in Nigeria. So, let's do it. Here is John from Ask JOFA, where we review different programs and businesses that can help you make money online. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. It will always help you to get notification anytime I publish new video every week. Also, use the link below the description of this video as regard Amazon affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Towards the end of this video, I'll be taking you through the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. They will take you through how to build your Amazon affiliate marketing platform, a step-by-step training that will change your life. So, to the topic of today, how to do Amazon affiliate marketing in Nigeria. So, let's do it. You can see this is the result of my marketing efforts as an Amazon affiliate marketer from Nigeria. Today is 26th of January 2022. If you look at it, this is last updated January 25th, 2022. I've a total item shipped 170 as a result of people visiting my website. I'm making a purchase, or a total order of 167. This is the number of clicks and this is the amount I've made. So you can now see that it works, and the good news is that you can collect your money to any bank account in Nigeria. I did a YouTube video about that, on a step-by-step process of how you collect your money from Amazon via Payoneer. Click this link. That link will take you through a step-by-step process of how you collect your money from Amazon as an Amazon affiliate marketer from Nigeria. You can start now. Thank you. You have seen the proof that Amazon affiliate marketing works in Nigeria. What do you think about my result? Kindly leave your comment below the description of this video. The good news is that you can have the same result too. How will you do that? There are over 5.6 billion searches on Google every day, and that is only Google. There are other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, and many others. And how do you take advantage of those searches? The first thing you need to do is to identify your niche. That is your segment market, that area that you are good at talking about. It can be an area that you have a passion for. It can be an area that you are specialized at. For instance, let's assume that you are good at making cake. You know all about different kind of cake tools. You can produce all kind of cake. You decide on which platform you'll be producing your content at. Your platform can be a YouTube or a website, but I recommend a website. You now start producing different content of how to make cake on your website. You start reviewing different cake tools for different uses on different occasions. There are so many people that want to learn how to make cake. They don't have idea. And because you are an expert in that area, you've produced content that meets their needs. All you need to do is to wait. As people search, they land on your platform. As they land on your website, they read your content. You recommend a cake tool and you send them to Amazon to look at it. When they get to Amazon with your affiliate link and you send them from your website to Amazon platform to see a particular cake tool, if they decide to buy that cake tool or anything they decide to buy with your affiliate link, Amazon will give you a commission for every sales that is made via your affiliate link. That is how you will make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. You produce your content on your platform. When people visit your platform, they click on your unique affiliate link that direct them to Amazon platform. When they make a purchase on anything you promote or any other thing, Amazon will give you a commission. That is how it works, and that is how you make money. But But what are the best practices that make you and help you make sales very fast? That's what we're going to discuss next. Amazon will only approve you to become the affiliate marketer with your own website. That is, you will need a website. You will need a website to direct traffic to Amazon platform. Amazon will visit and verify your website before they approve you as their affiliate. What does that mean? Before you get a final approval for Amazon affiliate marketing, you need to make 3 sales within 180 days. After that, they will visit your website to verify your content. It is until everything is okay before you get approval to become Amazon affiliate marketer. So this is why you need to focus on building your website first. That is the best practice. Produce content that will help your audience, that will bring a lot of traffic to your platform that you can now send to Amazon platform. Because many people goes to Amazon first to make Amazon sale. At the end of the day, they won't be able to make the 3 sales and they will not be qualified. Some other people will use fake website. They will get 3 sales, but Amazon will not approve them. So you need a quality website with a value added content that really help your audience for you to get Amazon approval. Those are the best practice to be a profitable Amazon affiliate marketer from Nigeria. Thank you. These are 4 steps you need to build a robust Amazon affiliate marketing platform. The first thing is your idea, that your segment market, your niche. You can see from my website, as I'll be showing you now, there are over 290 niches that you can choose from. Let me show you. This is one of my websites. You can see over 290 best list of niches for affiliate marketing 2022 free download. So you can just come to this website, download this list of niches. We have over 290 niches of ideas that you can start affiliate marketing with. Let me take you through them. These are different lists of niches. You can download it here. Alcohol addiction, cigar smoking, drug addiction, sex and porn addiction, quit smoking. You can be writing about these various type of niches. You always see something to sell on Amazon as relate to all these topics. Dating for disabled, dating for professional, international dating. There are different kind of niches that you can talk about. Meditation, jogging, hacking. If you are into baking, you like baking, cooking, cake tools, different kind of them. Look at these are Bitcoin, forex, gold trading, cake decorating. These are niches. Car auctions, car restorations, chess. These are different things you can start to talk about. You will always get something to sell as relate to this on Amazon. So you can see that you have millions of ideas of niches. But you can come to this website, you can come and download. All you just need to do is to start. You don't have any excuse. If you can't go for a premium training that you pay, there are a lot of free resources online that can teach you step-by-step process of how to make money. So what do you think? Thank you. What do you think about those 290 niches? There are many more that you can choose from. All you just need is to choose one and start producing content. The next thing you need to do is to build your website. How do you build your website? There are different ways you can build the website, but the number one affiliate marketing training center will help you to build your website in less than 30 seconds. Let me show you how that is done. This is my Wealthy Affiliate platform. You can see this is my picture. I want to take you through how to build your website in less than 30 seconds. So just come to this place, site build. This particular site build will build your website. You just click add that you want to add a website. Okay, you want to build a free website. You click this way. If it is a domain you own already on the platform, you click this way. Register a domain that you want to register a new domain. All this process, you'll be trained on how to do them. But to build a website is very simple. For instance, free domain. Ask JOFA. Let's assume the website I want to build now. You enter a title, Ask JOFA. Ask JOFA. You just choose one design, choose a theme. Just let's choose this. You see, this is the address. The next thing you just click is build my website. It's building it. Can you see how it's building it? You can see how the site is being built. It's finalizing the building. During installation, look at it. It has completely built the website. So that website is automatically built. Though it's a subdomain website, just for demonstration. Then you can always reset the password. And if you want to see the website, just copy this place and see the website. This is the website, Ask JOFA. So you can build your website in less than 30 seconds on Wealthy Affiliate, but you'll be trained on how to do that. What do you think? You now see how you can build your website in less than 30 seconds. If you want to build your website without going through Wealthy Affiliate, you can buy a domain and use YouTube and free resource online to learn how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon. There are many people that does that successfully, but it's not advisable. But if you don't have a choice, if you are constrained in terms of cost, you can go ahead and do that. Not doing anything is a problem. You can start doing something. Use the link below the description of this video to get your domain, which is less than $5 a month, and use the various free resource training online to learn and build your website to be ready for sales on Amazon. The next thing you need to do is to attract quality traffic that will come to your website and you can direct to Amazon to make a sale. That is when you need training, but you can still get free resource online for those training. That is by the time you write, you'll be able to rank on page 1 of search engine. By the time you'll be able to write on your blog or website, you rank on page 1. Because if you don't rank on page 1, there is no way you can get traffic. So your objective is to beat every other person in your niche, in your segment market. Beat them on to page 1 and start ranking and directing customer on every of the topic that you are writing about. That is when you learn how to use keyword research tool. Let me show you how that works too quickly. How do you attract traffic to your website? You will be trained when you get to Wealthy Affiliate on how to use what is called a keyword research tool that will help you write content that is driven with keywords. You will learn how to write article that will be on page 1 of Google, but with the aid of keyword research tool. So for instance, you are looking for best cake tools. You search. The keyword research tool will let us know what people in your niche are searching for, a site phrase, and you'll be able to now learn how to use those phrases inside your content and article. Like now, best cake tools, cool cake decorating tools, best cake decorating tools. Here, the average number of searches that the keyword receive per month. So in this case, best cake decorating tools receive 103 searches in a month. Visit to your website. So if you use these keywords in your website, this is the number of visits you are expected to get every month. This one will give you how many number of people have used these keywords on their website. So this will tell you the kind of keywords to go after to use on your website to be able to determine how much visitor you can bring to your website. This is called keyword research tool. If you decide not to train with Wealthy Affiliate because of the premium fee and you decide to go all it alone, there are free keyword research tools that you can use. I've dropped them below the description of this video. This is an explanation of how you get traffic using keyword research tool to write your content that drive traffic to your website. So you'll be able to rank organically on any search engine like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Thank you. So you've now seen how you can rank and use keyword research tools to leverage and quickly make sales. What do you think? There are so many free keyword research tools you can use. I will leave the link below the description of this video. They will help you a lot. Last thing you need to know and do is to select your revenue source, to pick products that you are going to review and write about on your platform. That is, you target high cost products to review to earn high commission. The higher the cost of your product, the more commission you earn via Amazon. So let me show you different products you can select from according to your niche on Amazon. People will come from your website and land on this page, Amazon. But by the time they are landing, you'll be sending them to a particular product that you have reviewed on your website. So there are different ideas. All you just need to do is to click this place. There are so many revenue sources here. Look at it. Different kind of electronics, cars products, anything you can think of, they are on Amazon. Since we are talking about cake tools, these are different kind of cake tools that you can discuss on your website. That is, if your niche market has to do with cake. So as they come here, they buy and you earn commission. So there are thousands of revenue sources from Amazon. It depends on your niche and segment market. So what do you think? You've now seen different products you can choose from on Amazon. It depends on your niche. That is how you select and quickly earn big commission. There are many people that earn over $5,000 monthly, even in Nigeria. So what do you think? Ensure you follow these 4 steps to build your robust Amazon affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Thank you. You now know how to make money through Amazon affiliate marketing in Nigeria. What do you think? The ball is now in your court. You have to start. Doing nothing will do you no good. I earlier promised to introduce to you the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. They changed my life in year 2016 when I get to know about this company. They have all the resources and tools you need to be a complete affiliate marketer. They will train you. They will help you build your website. They will host 10 websites for you. There are different kind of trainings you can think of, including weekly webinars, all for just one price. You just pay once. The problem with it is that they will not accept Nigeria to go through free training. If you are ready to go premium now, you get accepted. And as soon as go through premium, you start learning, you build your website, a step-by-step watching over the shoulder training that will help you build your platform very fast. You will learn how to do your keyword research that will help you to write content that will rank quickly and fast, and you can quickly make sales. If you are with Wealthy Affiliate, you should be sure of making sales with Amazon within your 6 months. And if you use my link below the description of this video, I will make sure I support you all the way through. You can see on my website how to join Wealthy Affiliate from Nigeria, a step-by-step article that take you through how to join, how to make your payment without restriction. You can also do me a mail and contact me personally. If you have issue, I can help you join. What do you think? I hope you take action now. It is better to become an Amazon affiliate marketer than looking for a job that is nowhere to be found. You can be making over $5,000 monthly in no time. What do you think? The next video will take you through how to make money in Nigeria. My #1 recommendation. You will learn the rudiment of how it works. Make sure you watch that video. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be able to know whenever I publish new video every week. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now.